Buying a cordless vacuum in 2026 sounds easy, until you realize how many options all claim to be the best. Some have great suction but weak battery life. Some look premium but feel overpriced. And some are only really good for one type of mess. So, to save you the time and the guesswork, we've narrowed it down to 5 cordless vacuums that actually stand out. Whether you need better pet hair pickup, smarter features, or the best all-around cleaner, this list has you covered. And yeah, our number 1 pick is the one most people should buy. But before we jump in, here are 3 quick things you should know. First, suction is important. But floor head design matters just as much. A vacuum can have plenty of power and still miss dust if the head design isn't great. Second, check the battery system. Some cordless vacuums look great on paper, but the runtime drops fast in higher power modes. And third, think about your home. If you have pets, stairs, or mostly hard floors, the best vacuum for you may not be the most expensive one. Now let's get into it. At number 5, we've got the Samsung Jet75 Pet. Alright, let's look at the Samsung Jet75E. Is it a total game changer, or just another overpriced stick vac? Right out the gate, the motor. Up to 200 watts of suction. Honestly, this thing is a beast. It's got this crazy multi-cyclone setup so it doesn't choke on dirt. Carpet, hard floors, doesn't matter. The brushes just devour everything. Believe me, watching it pick up this mess is oddly satisfying. Now, the battery. They say an hour, but we all know that's on the lowest setting. The real win? It's removable. Swap it out and you're back in action. Here's the nerdy stuff. A 5-layer filtration system that traps basically all the fine dust. So, it spits out clean air instead of blasting dust back in your face. And check this out, an LED display. Totally anti-robot. No guessing games. If there's a clog or a stuck brush, it literally tells you. Simple. The charging station is a 2-in-1 deal. Wall-mounted if you want to look fancy, or just use it as a standalone charger on a table. Pretty versatile. Got a furry monster at home? Wait for it. The pet tool rips hair right off the couch, and dumping the bin? Super clean. Honestly, it's a solid buy. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want strong suction without spending too much. You need a lightweight vacuum for everyday use. You want a great value pick for pet hair. Don't buy it if you want a self-emptying system. You vacuum up lots of larger debris. You want the most premium features possible. And now, let's move on to number 4. At number 4, we have the Tineco Pure One A90S. And yeah, this is easily one of the smartest cordless vacuums on the list. Okay, let's be real. Your house is a disaster zone. Kids, dogs, it's just pure chaos. But wait for it. Enter the Tineco Pure One A90S. This thing is a beast. 270 air watts of suction? Yeah, it basically inhales everything in its path. And look at this, the zero tangle brush. Say goodbye to pulling hair out of a roller like a caveman. It's a game changer, believe me. Plus, a 6-stage filtration system. It traps 99.99% of microdust. Take that, allergies. Check out the iGlow light bar. Red means dirty, blue means clean. And it eats large debris without choking. No clogs, ever. It even knows when it's on carpet. It ramps up the suction automatically based on the dust level. It's smarter than most people I know. Corners? Boom. EdgeSense boosts suction right against the baseboards. Nothing escapes. And this green LED headlight? It exposes dust you didn't even know existed. Honestly, I was shocked. Ignorance is not bliss. 105 minutes of runtime. You can clean your whole mansion, or, your apartment, on a single charge. It comes with all the attachments. Crevices, couches, screens, you name it, it cleans it. The best part? Hands-free emptying. A little scraper pushes out the gunk so you don't have to touch it. Total win. The Tineco Pure One A90S. Stop living in filth and go get one. Seriously, So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want smart features that actually feel useful. You love gadget-style cleaning tech. You want strong suction with great floor detection. Don't buy it if you want a self-emptying system. You're shopping on a tighter budget. You prefer a simpler vacuum with fewer smart features. And now, let's move on to number 3. At number 3, we have the LG CordZero A949KTMS. And yeah, this is a great upgrade pick. It delivers up to 265 air watts of suction and comes with useful extras like a pet nozzle and power mop attachment. So it's built for people who want more than basic vacuuming. The standout feature here is the auto empty stand. Just dock the vacuum and it empties the bin into a sealed bag for you. That means less mess, less dust in the air, and a much more premium experience. You also get 2 removable batteries, which helps for longer cleaning sessions. Now, the downside is pretty clear. It's heavier than a lot of rivals, and it's definitely not cheap. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want auto-empty convenience. You want premium extras like a mop tool and pet nozzle. You want dual batteries for more flexibility. Don't buy it if you want a lighter vacuum. You're shopping on a budget. You just want something simple. And now, let's move on to number 2. At number 2, we have the Dyson Gen5detect. And honestly, if you have pets, this thing is a beast. It delivers up to 280 AW of suction, and it does an amazing job with fur, dander, and deep carpet debris. The big reason it stands out is Dyson's anti-tangle motor bar head, plus the hair screw tool for furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. So yeah, pet hair is where this vacuum really shines. You also get smart features like automatic suction adjustment, an LCD screen, and Dyson's signature light that helps reveal hidden dust on hard floors. Battery life is up to 70 minutes on Eco, or about 15 minutes on Boost. Now, the catch? It's expensive, and storage can feel a little awkward. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you have pets and deal with lots of hair, you want top-tier suction, and anti-tangle cleaning, you want premium Dyson performance. Don't buy it if you want a more affordable option. You need something lighter and easier to store. You don't need all that power. And now, let's get to number 1. And finally, at number 1, the best cordless vacuum you can buy in 2026. The Samsung Bespoke AI Jet Lite. Alright, Samsung just dropped the Bespoke AI Jet Lite. Let's see if it's actually worth your hard-earned cash or just a total ripoff. They're pitching this to the chronically messy. Dog hair, spilled flour, toys everywhere. We've all been there. But can this skinny little stick actually handle a real-world disaster zone? First up, the weight. At under 2.5 kilos, this thing is insanely light. Like, you can literally twirl it around. Say goodbye to that annoying arm workout. But does it actually suck? They've crammed a Hexajet motor in here pushing 280 watts. Sounds like pure marketing fluff, but that kind of suction power on a stick vacuum is no joke. A 60-minute removable battery? Yes please. No one wants to wait for a charge halfway through cleaning their living room. Okay, here's the real test. Hair. This Jet Dual Brush claims it literally cuts tangled hair with a built-in scraper. If this actually works without jamming, absolute game changer. LEDs on the floor head. Not revolutionary, but honestly, always appreciated for finding those gross dust bunnies hiding under the couch. Now for the buzzword of the year, AI. It supposedly detects floor types and adjusts suction automatically to save battery. I'm usually pretty anti-robot, but if it saves me from constantly switching modes manually, I'll take it. They're bragging about crazy high filtration. Basically, it traps the microscopic nasty stuff so you aren't just blowing dirty air back into your face. Essential. Wait for it. It mops too? Swap the head and you get dual spinning wet pads for hard floors. Not bad. A fully washable dustbin. Look, it's basic but necessary, because no one wants a vacuum that smells like wet dog. Speaking of dogs, check out the dedicated pet tool. It's got its own V-shaped drum and grinder to chop up pet hair. Finally. Wi-Fi connectivity to get text alerts on your vacuum? Okay Samsung, total overkill, but whatever. But this, the auto emptying clean station. It sucks the dirt out for you while it charges. Believe me, once you have a self-emptying dock, you will never go back to doing it manually. This package is kind of a beast. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want the best all-around cordless vacuum right now. You want an auto-empty system that actually works. You hate messing with settings. You have pets or allergies. Don't buy it if you are shopping on a budget. You absolutely need 2 batteries out of the box. You only ever do 5-minute quick cleanups. At the end of the day, this didn't win because it has the biggest spec number. It won because it is the least annoying, most polished, most pleasant vacuum to actually use every single day. So yeah, those are the best cordless vacuums of 2026. If you want the best overall pick, if this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. And thanks for watching.